Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Take It Simple YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can track your time in ClickUp app, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that we have already downloaded the ClickUp app, and now once you open it, you'll be able to see the interface or home page of this ClickUp apps on the screen. And now at your left side we can see there is a tons of options in here. So you can see there is a time sheet in here, so you need to click on this option, and now you'll be able to track your time in here successfully. So you can simply choose your date, and let's say you need to click on the drop down icon, and now let's say I want to choose grabbing to 17, and you can see or track your time in here successfully. And you can also see there is two options, my time sheet and another all time sheet. So if you click on this all time sheets, and you'll be able to see all the time in here. And if you click on this open, then you'll be redirected or returned back to the same page or same tax location in here. So yeah, basically this is how you can track your time in ClickUp app. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, keep it in the comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this really helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.